All right. I've been slacking, guys. Sorry. I've got a bunch of infrared sauna questions here that I'm going to run through. Hopefully I'll get these out for you guys tomorrow. It says, Matt, what's the best infrared sauna on the market in 2019? I see your reviews, but it's overwhelming and I'm not sure what is most current. By the way, there is some outdated content on the blog. I have gotten a few questions about that. I've got to get it updated. As always, the most current and up-to-date information will be the newest YouTube videos. So if you just go to the Clever Leverage YouTube channel, sort videos by newest to oldest, that'll help you out. Thank you. You just need a two-person for my wife and I so we can use comfortably at home instead of changing at the gym. Okay. So best rated sauna right now on the market for 2019 is the Radiant Health. If you go look at the list of certified saunas, the website certifiedsaunas.com is not done yet, but I do have a blog post on Clever Leverage called The List of Certified Saunas, the 3 best saunas for 2019 for you guys. I have finished putting them all together and doing the testing, so there's a picture on that page that shows me receiving the shipments in the garage and doing some unboxing videos and stuff. I think I took that off. All that stuff is out of date. It needs to be updated. But if you go to the YouTube channel, or if you just search for Radiant Health Sauna Review, I think Clearlight Sauna Review, and High Tech Health Sauna Review, you'll be able to see all the reviews for the top 3 rated saunas for 2019. If you have other questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.